guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. So as you can see the happiness on my face, I'm really happy because today's video is a Nykaa haul. Like, I'm so happy that I'm being able to do a haul after ages, and I'm really happy to show you all the stuff that I got. Disclaimer here, so most of the stuff I got was like in March and February, and some of the stuff I got in May, like later May, so that I could make a collective haul. And I won't recommend you to order online if it's very urgent. I know like everyone's love sale and everything, but if it's essential and it's necessary, then only order. Like, I needed these items because I was running out of them. They were very essential for me, that is why I got them. So if you are getting these items, make sure you are like sanitizing them and keeping them out in an area and in sunlight for some days. So that's what I did, and I'm filming a haul video on that. So I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started with the video. So firstly, I'm gonna start with this big giant makeup holder. So it looks very professional, and I really wanted to store my makeup brushes because I had a lot of them. So I wanted to store them, and you know, they used to get dust and all because I used to store them in a holder kind of thing which was open. So I got this, which is very professional. Like, look at that. It gets me like makeup artist feels. And I got this in March. Here's like all of my brushes here. So this is what I got. This is from PAC Professional Art Cosmetics, and I don't think it was that expensive. I guess it was around 1200 or something. I would link it down below if you need this because it's very nice and sturdy. It's of leather and it like can hold a lot of your brushes. That is why it's really nice. So next up is this. So I used to use the face wipes for removing my makeup, but that was really polluting to the environment. That is not even biodegradable. So I switched into this, which is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, not the waterproof one. So I really wanted to try this, heard a lot about it, so I got the little one. And it's pretty pocket friendly as well. For 175 I got this, and it removes your makeup very nicely. I have used it a little bit, really like that, and it's better than those wipes because you have to harm your skin while using the wipes, like rub it off. Like this one more. So next up is this is the Color Bar Acetone Free Nail Polish Remover. I used to use this all the time, and then switched into the dipping one, the dip one and remove one, but I ran out of that, and I really use nail polishes a lot, so I needed this. So I got this. This is also very pocket friendly, I guess. So now I'm gonna get into the makeup part, which is more exciting according to me. So I'm gonna firstly start with mascaras. So I got two of them. First is this. I really wanted a colorful mascara, and this is the Kiko Milano mascara, and I don't know the shade. It's the Smart Color Mascara, and there were a variety of colors available. I really wanted a blue mascara, and I got this one. The shade will be mentioned down below. I don't know the shade name, but here's the mascara, and it was pretty reasonable for 595, I guess. So this is the mascara, and I really like it. The shade is 02, I guess. So I got this, and I wore it once, and it really elongates your lashes and voluminize it. I really like this one, and the color, the electric blue color, was really intense. So next up is this. So Too Faced just launched, and their mascara is like the total trending thing, one of the best mascaras in the US. Like, that's what they claim. I don't know, but I really wanted to try this. Heard a lot of good things about this Too Faced mascara. Next up, there's also Too Faced product. I got this in March as well. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I really wanted to try concealers. I freaking love concealers. Like, if one thing I want in my makeup is concealers and then blushes, but I really was eyeing on it. I've seen a lot of reviews of this, and I really wanted it. So after like checking online, I got the shade Sand, which matches me like a dream, and I just love the packaging of the concealer. Like, it looks like a foundation. Like, just look at this. It looks so big like a foundation, but it's very nice. It gives a very natural coverage, and it's full but it's very natural. It's not that glowy, it's very natural looking, like skin like coverage, which I really love about it. I even use it as my foundation sometimes. I really love this concealer, sorry, it looks like a foundation. I love this concealer, it's totally a win-win. Recently I've been creating a lot of makeup looks and I was running out of my eyeshadows because I don't use face paints for creating the face paint looks and the face art I do. So for that I really needed more palettes to work with and more eyeshadows. So I got this Nykaa Daydreaming palette, which is pretty reasonable, I guess, for 600 bucks, which is pretty reasonable. And I wanted to try it because I really don't believe in drugstore palettes. It's very cute and tiny and very travel friendly, but there should be a mirror as well, but I really like. So I've created this look with this palette, which is like a glitter shade, using this glitter shade right here, this one, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, it's pigmented and it's good, and for beginners it's gonna be good palette. But there are many more palettes available which are more pigmented. So next up I have this is the Wet n Wild single glitter eyeshadow, and it is so pigmented, like it's very pigmented. I don't want to swatch it right now because there will be glitter everywhere. Thingy is really pigmented, I'm not even lying. I didn't expect that much pigment, and like it was a lot for me, but I really like this one. It's pretty reasonable, like for 130 rupees, so that's very good. And I also want to order much shades in this glitter because it is really nice and it sticks to your eyelids. That is very nice about it. So next up in eyeshadow I have these two minis from Kiko Milano. So never tried Kiko Milano, I tried their mascara and eyeshadows this time. So these, like, I wanted a lavender eyeshadow and a yellow, bright yellow. I have yellow but I wanted a bright pop, but this shade is really nice. I'm gonna swatch it. Like, it's pretty nice. Like, it's not that visible because it's a very pastel color, but it's pigmented and it shows on your eyelids. You have to work a little more because I'm a medium to deeper skin tone, dusky skin tone, so it doesn't show that much, but you have to work with it, and it's pigmented as well. But I was disappointed with this one because I thought it's gonna be more pigmented as yellow is, but I've never come across a yellow shade which is pigmented, and this is also not that pigmented because I guess it comes into the pastel thing. And like, look at this, it's not that great. Like, if you see that, it's not that great for me, but with a setting spray it would work. So next up I have these lashes. So I used to own pack lashes, and I've heard a lot about Nykaa lashes, so I wanted to try, and it's very inexpensive. It's for 200 bucks and it comes with the glue as well, which is very good. I don't wear lashes that much, I just wear when I'm creating a very dramatic look, and because lashes makes your look more better, so that is why I wanted some. So I got these because I was using my previous ones a lot of time, so I wanted a new one. And these are like just enough drama in that variant. And here's the lashes. It's pretty big and dramatic for me, it's not enough drama. Last but not the least, so my Nykaa hauls are like totally incomplete without these nail polishes. I love Nykaa nail polishes. Like, one thing from Nykaa whole range I would like is their brow products and their nail polishes. Those are great. So these are the two ones. I really wanted an electric blue and a pastel blue. And actually these nail paints last really long and they're really nice. They don't chip off really easily. I like them a lot. And these are also not that expensive. This is in the Ocean Mist shade 162, and this is Blue Raspberry 62. So these are really nice. I love these Nykaa nail polishes. Also, I got this K Beauty kajal. I forgot to show you that. So I just got the package, like it was resting outside for 2 days and I just saw that, so I showed you this. K Beauty is very trending right now, like it's Katrina Kaif's brand. So I really wanted to try the kajal. My mom uses kajal a lot, so I got this for her and the reviews were pretty good. Like, I even saw some swatches, they were very nice and very black and dark, and it's not even that expensive. It's very reasonable as well, so I'm very excited to try this out because I am really happy filming this haul and I'm gonna try a bunch of makeup. I'm really excited about that. So So I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.